I'm gonna tell you guys how much money I made as a real estate agent in my first month and what led up to that, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, my name is Stephanie Kabidi. I'm a realtor in the state of Pennsylvania with Century 21 Realty Services. Let's get right into today's video. Okay, so first off, I want to start by saying making money in real estate is completely hard. So in my first month, literally the second day I started calling in, I think the third day I made like 400 calls that day. I had appointments, I met with for sale by owners, had a listing appointment to list some land. That actually fell through, which is okay because everything happens for a reason. But after, you know, going on appointments, making calls, building relationships, I made a whopping $0. Guys, I made $0 my first month. And now I'm in like my fourth month, a little over 3 months now. Fourth month now. And guess how much I still made? $0. Because this